afternoon, students. I am Nagalakshmi. I am your social teacher. Yes, today date is 14/8/2021 and the day is Saturday. Okay. So here, students, I would like to inform one thing. On Monday, that is 16/8/2021, Monday, we will conduct the FA1 exams. That is Formative Assessment 1 examinations. Okay. So in that FA1, the social syllabus is the first lesson, that is Story of Early Men. Story of Early Men. So in this lesson, I will give some of the bits in the exam. So you read thoroughly all the bits in the lesson, that is fill in the blanks, match the following and choose the correct answers and answer the following questions. Whatever it is, you read all the questions. Okay na? So now today I am explaining some of the bits in the lesson. Okay na? So that is whatever it is, fill in the blanks, match the following. Okay na? So the remaining bits you read very carefully, Nana. And so in this first one, fill in the blanks. First one, yes. All of you open your rough notebooks and textbooks, but don't write in the classwork notebooks. Whatever we will give the worksheets. అంటే worksheets ఏమి ఇచ్చినా వర్క్ ఏది ఇచ్చినా కూడా don't write in the classwork notebook. When we will inform to write the classworks, then only you write in the classworks. మేము ఎప్పుడైతే క్లాస్వర్క్ నోట్బుక్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి రాయండి అని చెప్తామో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే క్లాస్వర్క్ నోట్బుక్స్ లో రాయండి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఎర్లీ మెన్ are called dash. సో ఎర్లీ మెన్ ఏమని పిలుస్తారు? నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్, ఎర్లీ మెన్ lead a dash life. Early men lead a dash life. And early men lived in dash. Fourth one, all of you write very neatly in your notebooks. Early humans belonged to the family of dash. Fifth one, the period when tools were made is called Okay, students, do you understand? Okay, first one. Early men are called. Early men ని ఏమని పిలుస్తారు? Yes, hominids. Early men are called hominids. Hominids. My spellings is most important. Don't write mistake. Don't write the spelling mistakes, Nana. So each and every spell that is word write 5 times. Okay, na? Next, early men lead a dash life. So early men, which type of life the early men lead? Early men ఏ type of life వాళ్ళు లీవ్ చేశారు? Nomadic. 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 Nomadic life. Next, early men lived in dash. Early men ఎక్కడ నివసించే వాళ్ళు? Yes, can you say anyone? Early men, where the early men live? Yes, the early men lived in caves. The early men lived in caves. Next, early humans belonged to the family of. Early humans ఏ ఫ్యామిలీకి చెందిన వాళ్ళు? Animals. Why? Because the early humans looked like apes. Next, the period when tools were made is called. అంటే స్టోన్ తోటి ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్, ఐ మీన్ దట్ ఈస్ టూల్స్ ఎప్పుడైతే ద ఎర్లీ హ్యూమన్స్ వాడారో ఆ ఏజ్ మనం ఏమంటారు? స్టోన్ ఏజ్. STONE. Stone age. ఓకేనా? ఎర్లీ మెన్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ hominids. Early men lead a nomadic life. Early men lived in caves. Early humans belonged to the family of animals. The period when tools were made is called Stone Age. Yes, this is one bit in the first lesson, story of early men. So later, you understand, children? So in this, what did early men eat? Yes, it is completed. Okay. Next, my 4 questions are given. Okay, na? So each and everyone is very easy. When you read all the bits thoroughly, yes, you write well FA1 exam. First one, what did early men eat? So early men ఏం తినేవాళ్ళు? The early men ate wild plants, fruits and nuts. Okay. the element lived in caves. The element lived in caves. How many types of hominids? How many? How many types of hominids? There are 3 types of hominids. 3 types of hominids. Okay? Okay, do you understand, children? What did early men eat? Yes, what did early men eat? The early men ate wild plants, fruits and nuts. Wild plants, fruits, nuts ఎక్కువ తినేవాళ్ళు. Where did early men live? The early men lived in caves. Next, how many types of hominids? Hominids, any types? 3 types. And next, what do archaeologists find inside the ancient caves? So ancient caves lo archaeologists ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశారు? The archaeologists find inside the caves there are word paintings. ఓకేనా? సో వరల్డ్ కేవ్స్ లో వాళ్ళు పెయింటింగ్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశారు. నెక్స్ట్, సో in your textbook there are another bits are given, Nana. So that is match the following and tick the correct answers. ఓకేనా? సో అవి కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా రఫ్ నోట్ బుక్ లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి రీడ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ యువర్ FA1 బిట్స్. So okay, in this FA1, fill in the blanks, match the following and tick the correct answers and answer the following questions. All the bits are given. So read carefully and you read each and every bit thoroughly. Okay na? Okay children, tomorrow we will meet you again and thank you.